Hey everybody, Jesse here. Today I want to do a quick video on some of my Swiss Army knives. These three I call a set. I'm not sure if they're exactly a set, but they have the basic same tool set. So I have three of them here. First one I want to show you is the Spartan Victorinox Swiss Army knife. It's more like the original base model, or the original model, made over 100 years ago. You have a large blade, small pin blade in the Spartan. Then you have can opener with a small screwdriver point. And we have cap lifter, wire stripper, straight screwdriver, and some even use that for a small pry bar, but you have to be careful not apply too much pressure. The key ring, scale tools, we have tweezers and a toothpick. On the back we have a classic corkscrew, which can be used to open bottles or assist in untying knots. And we also have the awl with a sewing eye. That's the Spartan, kind of the basic model, and was more like the closest thing to the first model that you can get nowadays. So that's a Spartan. Next up we have the Tourist. It's 84mm. Basically it's just like the Spartan, but a little bit shorter. See that there? Just 84mm, same as a Spartan. Just everything's smaller. So Spartan, Tourist. The last one I want to show is called the Climber. It has everything that the Spartan has, but in addition, it has a pair of scissors. So those are great to have in your pocket. And on the back, the Climber has a hook. Excuse me, for carrying packages, tightening rope. Great little hook. So that's just a little set I have: the Climber, the Spartan, and the Tourist. Very fun to collect Swiss Army knives, and like I say, you carry this in your pocket, you got a lot of different options. But that's my video for today, guys. A little bit of Victorinox. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. Thanks for all your support. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day.